Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video I'll be talking about Rubrik, which is currently hiring for their software engineering winter internship role in Bangalore, India. So you must be available during the period of January 2026 to May 2026 for an on-site internship in Bangalore, India. There will be no remote options available. So under their minimum eligibility, they have mentioned that you must be having a CGPA of 8 or above, and you must be graduating in the batch of 2026 in circuital branches only. And under their expected qualifications or skills, they have mentioned that you must be graduating in computer science or any other related field, and you must have knowledge in one or more of the general purpose languages under which they have listed Java, C, C++, Scala, Python, and there can be more if you want. So moving on to the hiring process that Rubrik follows. So they'll be starting with an online coding assessment which will be happening over HackerRank, and you'll be asked to solve 4 coding problems. You'll be given 15 test cases for each of them. The more you solve, the better your chances to advance into the next round. Moving into the next round, you'll be having a technical interview of 45 minutes, which will be a hard level technical interview. You will be asked questions on graph and dynamic programming. Initially, you'll be asked to think about your initial logic and think out loud so that your interviewer knows your logic. And once you explain it, you'll be asked to optimize it, reduce the time complexity, and then implement your final solution. If you are getting through this round, you'll be asked for a second technical interview, which will again be a 45 minutes with a different interviewer. This will also be a hard level technical interview, and again the same process of explaining your solution, coming up with the best approach, implementing that one. So after you get through the second technical interview, you will have to sit for an HR round, which will be a simpler round, which is a conversational round with your hiring manager, where you'll be asked questions about your previous experiences, about software development life cycle, about your knowledge in that, your testing methodologies that you've practiced earlier. So these are the rounds of the hiring process that Rubrik follows. The rounds that you'll have to sit for to have this winter internship at Rubrik. So if you are interested for this role, then go ahead and apply before the link expires. I have attached the application link to the description of this video. Go ahead and apply. And if you are liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently about companies who are currently hiring, both for internships and job roles, especially for the college going students who are on the lookout for this. So please subscribe to my channel, and hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.